I'm standing inside a laboratory which does testing for the novel coronavirus. I'm at the Translational Health Science and Technology Institute in Faridabad. And I have with me Dr. Guru Prasad Medigeshi. He is a specialist on viruses and somebody who runs this facility which tests hundreds of samples a day and has been active from day one. Dr. Guru Prasad, you use the well-known RT-PCR technique. Tell us a little bit how difficult or easy it is to use and how difficult or easy it is for you to conduct these tests here.
Thank you, sir. As you know, RT-PCR is the gold standard of COVID-19 testing. And a major challenge here in this whole process is actually the beginning of the whole process, where you get the clinical samples which are infectious or supposedly infectious, and they need to be handled with full protective, personal protective equipment inside a facility which takes care of all the biosafety compliances. Therefore, that is the most challenging part, where you receive the sample, you look at the IDs, you arrange the samples, then you start your process. So the initial samples that we get from various hospitals are segregated based on the IDs, and then we start allocating the samples. Then we start lysis of the samples. That's when the samples become infectious. So the first 3 hours almost is spent on arranging the samples and making them non-infectious.
You are a research and development facility, yes, but you have morphed into a facility which is doing actually helping the nation in diagnosis of this very large pandemic which has hit us.
Yes.
To convert from a research facility to an actual diagnostic facility, was it difficult?
Yes, it was, because as like any other enterprise, lockdown was a big challenge for us. To get people here during lockdown and to get people to work on COVID-19 was a very big challenge. But fortunately, we have a team which really responded very well. In fact, we never shut down the laboratory, because as soon as the lockdown was clamped, we worked very hard to get recognition as a testing center by ICMR. We signed an MOU with the ESI hospital, and this was the first center to start testing in Faridabad region. And by now, we have tested more than 25,000 samples. So this is only thanks to the dedicated team here, who have worked relentlessly day and night, all 7 days of the week, and almost 12 hours every day.
Are you or your team scared of working on SARS-CoV-2 virus, which is such a new virus, which is causing so much trouble to the world?
Well, like most of the world, we were also very apprehensive. As a virologist, yes, for me it's a new virus and you are always excited to do research, but we were never trained to do diagnosis. So as you can see here, this laboratory was supposedly a bioassay laboratory for vaccine development. But when we were asked to really convert ourselves into a testing lab, it was a major challenge, because here we were supposed to deal with clinical samples every day and deliver a report the same day. So turnaround time was very important, because you had a line of patients waiting for the data or reports. So that was a huge challenge for us, and we were all also worried that we would get the disease and we would all be quarantined, and so what will be the status of our families. And fortunately, I think because we put robust biosafety practices in the lab, in practice, and everybody follows them, we have had a very little impact of COVID-19 on the functioning of this laboratory.
Meaning your people have remained safe in the lab?
Our people have remained safe so far, and we have had very few incidences once in a while where people get disease from the community. But so far, lab-related incidents have been zero. So we have maintained this record, and we are trying to at least do our best. And most people by now are also aware that when we follow routine safety practices, your chances of exposure is minimal. Therefore, the initial apprehension people had about working on COVID-19 is no longer there. That doesn't mean we have let our guard down. We still take all precautions, but we are less scared of COVID-19, so to say.
So we've learned something as the pandemic has expanded.
Exactly, exactly. So we have learned how to deal with the pandemic, because when you don't know it's a new pathogen, so you are always apprehensive about what will happen. You may think that everywhere it's there and you will get it somehow. But once you slowly start getting information, you learn about the pathogen, you learn about the ways to deal with it, you become more and more confident about it. So yeah.
You also developed some tests or diagnoses or things as part of research at THSTI for yourself?
Yeah, so THSTI has been at the forefront when it comes to COVID-19 response, and BioCell Laboratory has also invested a lot of time in developing the RT-PCR based diagnostics and also PCR based diagnostics where RT-PCR is not required. And we have transferred this technology to biotech companies and currently waiting for validation of these assays.
You're also working on some kind of assays for the vaccine?
Yes, so BioCell Laboratory is one of the 6 laboratories in the world now, which has been chosen by CEPI, a renowned organization which works on epidemic preparedness. So we will be working on COVID-19 vaccine development. We are working with most of the vaccine manufacturers in India for COVID-19 vaccine development.
So you are not afraid of the novel coronavirus?
I was never afraid of the novel coronavirus. I was afraid of the impact it would have on the nation and on the general health system in general. But I think now the solution is not very far, and we will all probably soon see a vaccine.
So that was Dr. Guru Prasad, a well-known virologist and a virus specialist, telling us he's not afraid of the virus and that a solution is likely soon. And at this laboratory, which is a research laboratory which morphed into a diagnostic facility, they've done over 25,000 tests. Not a small job for a research facility to convert into a diagnostic facility like this. Inside the novel coronavirus testing laboratory and also the laboratory where vaccine assays for the novel coronavirus will be done in Faridabad, Pallav Bagla.